Kavan Yatra is an annual religious pilgrimage undertaken by Shiv devotees known as Kavariyas, mostly during the Hindu month of Shravan. Every year, lakhs of pilgrims from northern India, including Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, travel on foot to collect holy water from Ganga and offer it at Shiv temples in their hometowns. This yatra, known for its scale and devotion, has now made headlines not for religious reasons but for controversial government directives. The governments of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand have directed that food sellers along the Kavan route must display QR codes on their banners, QR codes that link to the names and identities of the owners. This rule is now being challenged in the Supreme Court, with petitioners alleging that it could lead to religious profiling and even mob violence. In this regard, the top court today granted 1 week's time to the state of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand to respond to a legal challenge against their directive. The application before the court has been filed by Professor Apurvanand and activist Akar Patel, who are seeking a stay on the directives. They argue that these measures amount to religious profiling and discrimination against food vendors, particularly from minority communities. The petitions mention that last year the Supreme Court had passed an interim order saying that sellers cannot be forced to disclose their religious identity. Now the QR code is a way to bypass that order, still making vendors reveal their identities under the pretext of regulation. The petitioners also warn of mob violence against certain vendors, saying that the move could deepen religious polarization among the pilgrimage route. The petition further argues that while vendors are legally required to have a food license, such details like the owner's name are supposed to be displayed inside the premises. But the government is now mandating identity details to be shown outside on hoardings or boards, which they say is a clear overreach. The application also challenges any attempt to restrict the naming of eateries based on owner's religion, calling it a breach of privacy and equal protection under the law. The matter came up before a bench of Justices M.M. Sundaresh and N. Koteshwar Singh, which agreed to list it next Tuesday after hearing that the Kavan Yatra will be over in 10 to 12 days, making the issue time sensitive. Senior advocate Shahadan Farasat, appearing for the applicants, pressed for urgency. On the other hand, the government's counsel, including Uttar Pradesh's Deputy Advocate General, asked for 2 weeks' time to reply. Well, the bench settled on 1 week. The matter will now be taken up next Tuesday. Stay tuned with Live Law.